Hi, I'm putting this out here today for anybody that is going to be taking the August 2024 Regents exam, any of the exams. If you're watching this after August, well, it's just how you get ready when you are doing things last minute. Of course, in a perfect world, that wouldn't happen. What's hard about the August exam and then January exams is more than likely you aren't in class anymore. Now, if you are taking summer school, that's going to make your life a lot easier because you're preparing for the exam in summer school. That is definitely a win. Here, though, most of the time, you've taken the exam, you failed the exam, and you need to take it again, or in some cases, students just want to do better. My two major pieces of advice are not rocket science. And here's the first: read and reread any review materials you have or find on the internet. Hopefully you kept your materials from class, you were given materials in the first place, or maybe you're on Google and you're trying to find Regents review information for your particular subject. Now, you're in luck if you are a chem student because I'm a chem teacher and I do have on my website a whole year in review for the chem Regents. Let me just show that to you right now. All you have to do is type in chemcoachcentral.square.site. It is my webpage, or you can go ahead and just Google Chem Coach Central and you'll see it come up. And what you're looking for here is the tab Learning Chemistry. Once we're there, we're going to scroll down. Of course, I do have my YouTube channel where I explain things. I go over all the Regents exams. Check those out. Here is the year in review, and here is the year in review answers. I do have example questions in the review packet. Here is the review packet. You'd get a PDF you could download on your computer, print it out, or just watch it on the screen, and go over all the information you need to know, including some example questions with, like I said, the answers there. All of the information, it's on 12 pages. It's here. I'm not charging you for it. I want you to do as well as you can on the exam. Go for it. If you're not taking chemistry, you're taking a different exam. Again, hopefully you have some review material that you can take a look at. And then we go to the second point. There is, at least for chemistry and for physics, there is a repetition when it comes to Regents exam questions. You want to start with the Regents exam you last took that you failed or didn't do as well as you wanted. You want to go over it. Not only are all the tests online for all the Regents exams, but all of the answer keys. Practice other exams. Notice that there are going to be repeating questions when you go from one exam to another. When I say lingo, I mean vocabulary. If you don't understand what the words mean, then you're not going to be able to answer questions correctly. And of course, make notes for the information you keep forgetting. In other words, if there's a question about isotopes and you get it wrong, and now you're doing another exam and here's another question about isotopes and you get it wrong, then write down the definition for an isotope. You have to do things differently if you want a different outcome. Just because you failed it once does not mean you have to fail it again. But the key is you have to put in the work. Just type in the search bar nysedregents.org, and here is the listings of all the different Regents exams and all the different subjects. No matter what, if you put in the work, you're going to do well, and that is the key. I wish you all the best. Keep working hard.